just on one of my walks. I thought I'd give you an update video as my car's out of action at the moment, so I've been unable to make any new videos. You've got the remains of an old farmhouse just up here. I'll hazard a guess that this dates back to the 17th century. Just go and have a look at the other side. I'm not sure if there was a fire here. The outbuildings are in bad shape as well. I wonder how long the place has been empty. Thanks to everybody who's been leaving supportive comments on the videos. You might be wondering about the title of this video. 99% of the comments that I get are very positive. Once in a while I do get negative comments. You've got to expect that when you're making videos on YouTube, and I usually ignore them. But I just want to call out this village idiot who left a comment. A comment that I received recently was xenophobic in nature, although the profile name of the person who left the comments kind of suggests that he might be Welsh, or at least from Welsh descent anyway. I recently got a comment from Stephen Edwards 382 on one of my older videos, and he says, "Worst, most ridiculous, pointless accent I have ever heard." Now this left a similar comment on another video of mine, many months ago. So it's kind of strange that he's still watching the videos if my accent is annoying him so much. I should get my car back in the next day or two, so I'll be able to restart making videos as normal. I made 70 videos last year, and I want to try and make at least 70 this year. Although there may be weeks where there'll be no videos, but there might be other weeks where there's 2 or 3. But I will try and make at least 70. I've started to make some content for my channel membership, which I hope to start in a couple of months. I'm going to try and fit in 1 or 2 foreign trips before the end of the year. I've got a trip in mind that I've been researching for a while now, but we'll see if it happens. I've recently discovered that a gravesite of a Hollywood actor is located a couple of miles away from here. His name was Hugh Griffith. Got this book about him recently. I think it's the only book that's been published about him, and it's in Welsh. I need to read this. I've been planning for a while to make a video about him, but I only recently realised that his ashes were buried in Wales. I knew that his funeral was held in the famous Golders Green crematorium in London, and I always assumed that his ashes had been kept or scattered there, but I was wrong. As well as a film actor, he also worked on television and on stage, and he worked in the West End in London and on Broadway. During his film career, he worked with many of the big names of Hollywood, like Marlon Brando, William Holden, Tony Curtis, Charlton Heston, Audrey Hepburn and Vincent Price, and he won an Oscar for Best Supporting Actor for his part in the film Ben-Hur. Despite all this, I think in Wales he's still best remembered for playing the father character in the cult TV film Grand Slam. There's a herd of cattle down here, just making me a little bit nervous. When I was a kid, I was fearless around cattle. Once you get older, you realise how potentially dangerous it could be. Okay, they're running to the far end of the field. I should be okay. I don't know if you saw my video last year about John Lennon and Yoko Ono's visit to the town of Tywyn in the county of Gwynedd. I recently found out that the hotel that they stayed at is going to be demolished, so I'm going to be going back down to Tywyn to do an update video. Ah, heck. These bloody cattle are running towards me now. Holy shit, they're not stopping. I'm going to have to go over the wall here. Ah, okay. They're going the other direction now. Holy shit, that was scary. Pardon my French. They're all running together. None of them are separate from the herd. Yeah, back to the John Lennon thing. It's a follow-up video that I'm doing, not an updates video. I'll go down there and get some drone footage of the hotel. I don't think they've demolished it as yet, or they haven't started anyway. But it is due to happen over the next couple of weeks. Okay. I don't know what the future holds with these updates videos. I'm thinking of maybe just doing the updates on my usual videos. Okay guys, we'll see you soon.